Deluria.
JKS Philippines, Cindy.
Please prepare after this bout sa Sante Asya Aka Rama Makare Ao. Please prepare after this bout.
Daan Zeb, raise your hand. Daan. Ahead. Alejo, Cindy, raise your hand. Start. Ay, wait lang. Wala pang judge. Kathleen, red. At Kuban, Mary Stephanie. Blue.
Christina C. Please raise your hand. Cesante Azegan. Cesante, please raise your hand.
Gonzalez Luis from AKKR.
Atinat.
Winner, Ao Sepalay Corinne Benedict, the same health. Next bout sa Sante Asya
Gonzales
Aka
Luis.
Rama Makare Ao.
Red. Mahilong Myri. Myri Mahilong from ASKS JKS. Blue.
Please prepare Karugay Pearl Mayoni Aka Kuya Upper Ao after this bout.
Again, this match is intermediate.
Next bout, Christina C. Aka versus Cesante Azaya.
Winner, Ao Rama Makare. Change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Karugay Pearl Mayoni Aka Kuya Upper Ao. Start. Please be ready. Avila Shende.
Alejo.
Sepalay Corinne.
Raise your hand, Alejo.
After this bout, please
Alejo,
prepare.
Cindy. Ikaw. Alejo. Si Alejo maglalaro. Alejo, Cindy, Sarna, raise your hand. Daan Zeb. Oh, kamu dua. Start.
Bacosmo Atira. Di Torres Jana. Di Torres Jana, please raise your hand.
Winner, Ao Kuya Upper. Same belt. Next bout, Avila Shende Aka Sepalay Corinne Ao. After this bout, please prepare Rama Makare Aka Kuya Upper Ao. Please prepare.
Winner, Aka. Daan Zeb from ASK Cebu. Next bout, Kathleen Zaki from AKKR Aka and Kuban, Mary Stephanie. Out. Start.
Ricardo Carl Zyrek. Ricardo Carl Zyrek. Gonzaga Cedric. Gonzaga Cedric. Kabatingan Mark Xavier. 12 to winning advanced kata boys. Gloria Luhan.
Winner, Aka Kaglizaki from
Carlos
AKKR.
Carlos.
Next bout, Gonzalez Luis from AKKR and Mahilo Mari
Aquinas Sean
Christy from
Bertet.
ASJKS. Start.
Aquinas Sean Bertet. Verano Ma. Salaysay Lee. Suave J. Ram. Red. Spirit Kyle. Spirit Kyle. Ricardo Tor. Ricardo Tor. Gonzaga Cedric. Kabatigan North.
Shihan Army. Lando Shihan.
Winner